Hello, this is my website on the Network Society. Right, here with the first page, we've got the Network Society within the modern world. Scroll down, that's my banger username there. We've got the Network Society and some background information, including globalization and this era of technology with the mass production of digital devices there. We've got a little picture there to add a bit of professionalism. Added a quote, and I've introduced Manuel Castells here. Castells has said a lot about the Network Society and about how it's changing communication within modern day society specifically. And we have a little video here, embedded that link from YouTube with the references at the bottom there, Harvard reference in there. And then we move on to the function of social networking. Right here. This starts off with a picture again and talking about approaching social networks with Nicholas Christakis' TED talk, just to give a bit of background knowledge. Also with background knowledge, a little quote there, referencing below that. I've included a button here, as I did earlier on, as well with Castells. That will just lead to Christakis' page, give more information about him when this is published. References there, again, they're there. Move on to the next page, the impact of social media on mental health. This page looks specifically a little bit more about social media and networking within that. A bit more background information, BBS from Ward Christensen and Randy Hughes there. It's got 2 paragraphs explaining about that, with another TED talk from Bailey Parnell, which I've said there, providing a more in-depth insight into things there, especially with mental health, with a button and references at the bottom of that page as well. And coming up to the end now, I've got my bibliography, if it ever loads, where I've put each heading of each page: social media and mental health, network society, function of social networking, etc. And I've put the reference there in red, and then in black just explaining a few lines why I've decided to include that, just to make sure it's clear why I've included context and external sources into my website. Thanks a lot. That's everything.